Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Modi Public School. This is your social science class. Today we will do the map practice from the chapter 3 Water Resources. In this chapter we have to learn about identification and location of 8 dams. These 8 dams are going to come in your board exams. The multi-purpose projects or the dams that we are going to locate in this chapter are Salal Dam, Bhakra Nangal Dam, Tihri Dam, Hirakud Dam, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Nagarjun Sagar Dam and Tungabhadra Dam. So we will locate these dams in the political map of India. Students, before starting with the actual location of these dams on the map of India, let's start with a small presentation that comprises of the pictures of these various dams. So let's start with Salal Dam. This is a picture of Salal Dam located in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is built on Chenab River. This is the picture of Bhakra Nangal Dam. It is located in Himachal Pradesh and it is built on Sutlej River. See this picture? This is the picture of Tihri Dam, which is in Uttarakhand. It is built on Bhagirathi River and it is the tallest dam in India as well as Asia. Its height is 260 meters and its length is 575 meters. This is Hirakud Dam in Odisha and it is built on Mahanadi River. It is the longest dam in India. Its length is 4.8 kilometers. This is the picture of Rana Pratap Sagar Dam situated in Rawatpata, Rajasthan. You all must have seen this dam. This dam is built on Chambal River. This picture shows the Sardar Sarovar Dam of Gujarat. This dam is built on Narmada River. Now we come to the southern part of India. This is the picture of Nagarjun Sagar Dam, which is in Telangana, and it is built on Krishna River. Another dam that we have to study from the south is Tungabhadra Dam. It is in Karnataka and it is built on the river of the same name, that is Tungabhadra River. So students, now we have come to the main topic of our video, that is the identification and location of these dams. You can see a map on your screen. Here I have located and labeled the dams. So together we will learn how to locate them and how to identify them. First of all, let me tell you one thing, that before starting any map practice, you must be very well aware about the various states of India. So it's an advice from me to you that wherever you study, just paste a political map of India and learn the locations of various states. This will help you in locating any type of information in the map of India. If you know the states, you can easily mark anything asked in the different states. Okay, so it's good if you will paste a map in which you have marked the various states of India near your study table or in your study room, so that you will get aware of these various states, the location of these states. Done? So we will start with the Salal Dam. As you can see, Salal Dam, where is it located? I told you that it is built on Chenab River. So you can see the location. It is near Jammu. This is the location of Salal Dam. Salal Dam is located near Jammu. Now the second dam, that is Bhakra Nangal Dam. Bhakra Nangal Dam is situated in Himachal Pradesh, and you have to learn to locate it in between the border of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. At the center of the border, here you can see this is the boundary of Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, and at the center of it Bhakra Nangal Dam is situated. Now the third one, that is Tihri Dam. As I have already told you, this dam is very important because it is the tallest dam of our country. It is situated in Uttarakhand and it is built on Bhagirathi River. So now this is Uttarakhand state, and you have to locate it in the northern part of Uttarakhand. Here, this is the northern part of Uttarakhand, and you have to locate the Tihri Dam here. Now the next one, that is Hirakud Dam. We know that Hirakud Dam is located in Odisha. This yellow colored state is Odisha. So here in the northwestern part near the boundary of Chhattisgarh, you have to locate this dam, Hirakud Dam. This is the northwestern part of Odisha, and it is near the boundary of Chhattisgarh, near the border of Chhattisgarh, and you have to locate Hirakud Dam here. Now we come to the next dam, that is in the southern part of India, that is Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Nagarjun Sagar Dam is situated in Telangana. So this orange colored state is Andhra Pradesh and this pink colored is Telangana, and you have to locate Nagarjun Sagar Dam at the boundary of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It is built on River Krishna, and it is located at the center of the boundary of, or the border line of, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Understand? Now we come to Tungabhadra Dam. Tungabhadra Dam is another dam which is located in southern part of India, and it is located in Karnataka. So this green colored state is Karnataka, and Tungabhadra Dam is built on Tungabhadra River in the northern part of Karnataka. Okay, in the northern part of Karnataka, or more precisely we can say northeastern part of Karnataka, Tungabhadra Dam is located. Now the next one is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Sardar Sarovar Dam, you can remember the name by the name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He belongs to Gujarat, and you may remember that Statue of Unity is situated in Gujarat. So Sardar Sarovar Dam is in Gujarat. And where you have to locate it? You have to locate it adjacent to the point where the boundaries of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat meet. There is a point, as you can see here. This blue colored state is Maharashtra, yellow colored state is Madhya Pradesh, and this orange colored state is Gujarat. Here is the point where all the boundaries of these three states meet, and adjacent to it is the location of Sardar Sarovar Dam. And last one that we are going to locate is the Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. It is in our state, and you can easily locate it, you can remember the location. You see this yellow colored state is Madhya Pradesh, and there is an extension of this Madhya Pradesh in Rajasthan. See, Madhya Pradesh is extended a little bit in Rajasthan. Adjacent to this extension, you have to locate Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. Clear? Adjacent to this extension of Madhya Pradesh, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam is located in Rajasthan, near our Kota, Rawatbhata. This dam is located. So now we have completed with the location of all the 8 dams. Salal Dam in Jammu and Kashmir, then Bhakra Nangal Dam, this is in Himachal Pradesh. Then we come to Tihri Dam. Tihri Dam is in Uttarakhand. We come to Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is in Odisha, built on Mahanadi River. Nagarjun Sagar Dam is in Telangana, built on Krishna River. This Tungabhadra Dam is in Karnataka, built on Tungabhadra River. Sardar Sarovar Dam is in Gujarat, which is built on Narmada River. And Rana Pratap Sagar Dam in Rajasthan, which is built on Chambal River. So here we complete our map practice. You take a map, political map of India, and practice the location of these dams in the map. All the best to all of you.